Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna make this sketch 3 as like a cleaning machine that helps to, with this brush it cleans the area. This is imaginary stuff. So we're gonna sketch this in 3D, and also you're gonna learn how to draw ellipses and circles and how you can practice them also when you sketch. So let's get started. Let's call this sketch 3. It's like a cleaning machine. We're gonna do it in 3D, okay? Let's start from the top. Just gonna draw ellipse here. Okay, this is the brushing area. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate this like this, and I'm gonna make a center line. The center line gonna help us to draw other ellipses. So other one will come here. Let's join this one like this. Okay, so this is like the brush area. I'm gonna draw another ellipse. Join these lines. You can see these ellipses are helping me. These straight lines is helping me a lot to know where my ellipse will fall. Okay. So now I'm going to draw another one, a little bigger. Well, you can also practice drawing ellipses like this and see how they fall. You can see draw a line between, so you can see the major axis of ellipse if it's symmetric on the both sides or not. Okay, like that. And then I will straight this line a little bit down here and try to make an ellipse here and join these two areas. Okay, cool. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit detail here, kind of gripping area for the user. Then I'm gonna add a little button here like this ellipse. On-off button here. A little bit more detail on my brushes. This is just like a head that you can like move it off if you want to change it. Okay, I can add a little detail here. Round detail. You mostly see these detail on a drill actually, not on a grill, on a drill. And a LED blinking light. Okay, I'm gonna add some shadows here too, like flying in the air, just to make it look cooler. A little bit a base too in the end. Okay, cool. I'm gonna add little shadows here to show the gripping part. Okay, and this line is going this way, this is gonna go this way. Okay, and I'm gonna add this back area so I can separate the front from the back. Let's say the sun is in this direction and the shadow is coming, so I'll add some lines, some depth here, some shadows. More shadows, and there'll be shadows here too. Okay, this area will have a little bit depth in there because the other one is inside. I will rotate my sketch. Smoothly. Okay, one thing we can do in this sketch is let's finish with the back, and then I can show you what I mean. To show what I want to show in this sketch is it's a good practice by industrial designers or the designers to product designers to show the detail of the product, like how the part look like. So I'm just gonna finish these lines quickly. I mean, you can do these lines slowly and get a really smooth background there, but I'm just gonna do it quickly so you guys don't get bored watching that. I have a little problem in the symmetry here, you can see, but of course when you're gonna practice a lot you can get this perfectly right. Okay, what I want to show you here, for example, if you take some part here, if you want to show like this, for example, I want to show you up here, but there's no space, so just drag it down here, like an area you want to zoom in a little bit. We draw it again here, let's say, and we want to show whatever to the person's, like how this area look like a little bit detail on that. For example, if I want to add a little bit detail here, probably I will add this here too, but it's a little bit harder to see. I can add a little bit detail here now, and you can see that it's a little bit bigger in size. So I think it's a good idea to sketch, also sketch this, use this technique and draw this. Sketch this again. I think it's not looking perfect, but it is here. A little bit like this, I think. A button here showing. So you can show the button in detail. Maybe this area too is going down like this, and then you have this area down here. Anyway, I just don't want to take so much time there. Anyway, you get the idea what I want to say. This was our original sketch, a little bit fair here, but I think a little bit different in design, of course. But you get the idea what I want to show you here, how you can sketch it. We can spend more time on it, make these lines a little bit straight, add a little bit more shadow, add more depth. But as we go further in our sketching process, we can slowly add more detail in there. But I think it's good enough for right now to show to someone, and they can get the idea what you want to say. Okay, well, that was sketch 3. Thank you very much.